So suppose this is in kgs and for grams. Okay. So I want to change it into, suppose I want to change it to kilo, something like in standard form. So what you're going to do is you're going to write this in, let's not do kg. This is weird. Let's put it joules. Okay. Now this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now if you're moving to the right, okay, if you move to the right, so you need to understand that power of 10 becomes more negative, which means that you have to write it as 6 into 10 raised to power minus the number of, zeros, number of places you counted, 6 joules. Now, what you're going to do is you can change it into the correct standard form, like 10 raised to minus 6 is micro. So you can say 6 microjoules. Do you guys understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. All right. Now, in the next one, it could be like, it could be like watts. Okay. Like that. So now it really depends, because now you should understand that if you go from this point and you say 1, 2, 3, right? So I moved 3 points and another 4, right? So let me just put it like this. In fact, I want to put 3 in green. Okay. Now, if I go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the last digit. So if I go to the left, then it means that the power of 10 becomes less or more positive, right? Which means that now I can write it as 1.8 times 10 raised to power 4 watts. Now, doing so, this will actually create a problem. The problem is that no prefix has a power of 4 in it. So instead of doing this, what I want to do is, this is the reason I put it in green. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to move 3 places. So if I move 3 places, it is going to be 18 times 10 raised to power 3 watts. Now, if I do that, then I can actually change it into something meaningful like kilo, and I can write it as 18 kilowatts. Do you guys understand this?
Yes.
So the tip is that you can stop at any particular point to put a prefix, and it's something like, it's important because then you will be able to, right? So don't get scared to not converting it fully into standard form. Anyway, then you would also be required to convert prefixes into decimal or standard form, right? So then what you're going to do is, like, for example, it's given as 1000 terabyte, right? So that's what this is given. This will never come, but still, 1000 terabyte can be written as 1000, and tera is 10 raised to 12, so 10 raised to power 12 bytes, right? So this is the, could be a memory or something, all right, like that. All right, if you guys have any questions now, please do let me know that I can answer.
No.
Okay, now we'll quickly do this question from the paper. and then we'll stop the class. So a unit is often expressed with a prefix. For example, the gram may be written as prefix as kilo, as a kilogram, and blah blah blah. And you need to, write the power 10. So if you don't remember this, obviously you won't be able to. So nano is 10 raised to power minus 9, right? Centi is C, right? M is obviously mega, and T is tera. So if you have learned the list, you will be able to do it. Otherwise, we lose 4 marks, and that would not be nice. All right. Okay, so this would be all for today, right? From tomorrow onwards, we're gonna complete this. Probably, let me see how much is. Yeah, it will be completed by tomorrow.
So can you just
Okay.
go up? Let me just write this down. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So can you go a little up?
Sir,
Yeah.
there are questions about acceleration and magnitude of frictional force that we don't have to solve right now, right?
Sorry, come again. I did not understand what you were saying.
So there are questions about acceleration and forces too, so we don't have to solve them right now.
No, no, you don't have to.
Okay. So we'll submit the worksheet without solving them.
Yeah, you could do that. But you have done it before, Zahan, so you could do it.
Okay, sir.
Right. So make sure that the more work you do right now, in any case, you have to submit it complete. So I would suggest that you do, because these are early chapters. You already know these. Okay. All right. So, all right, everyone. If you have no more questions, then I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.